Hi guys, today I will unbox an AirTag and connect it to an iPhone running the iOS 15 developer beta 1. I'm Vlad from iPhoneTricks.org and let's do it. So I'm picking up the AirTag box, which is slim and nicely shaped as Apple used us. You can review the model number and the usual details. So I'll see this green stripe over here that I guess I have to pull to open the box. Okay, so I peeled that stripe off and now I can continue to open this lid here. Okay, so I'll drag from this edge. Okay, here we get the AirTag. Let's open this box. You have the instructions and the AirTag is over here. Let me see how to get it out. Okay, I see another seal over here, so I'm opening it. Okay, that's it. I think if I pull this, okay, did you hear it? The battery got activated and instantly the iPhone recognized it. I get upgrade your account security. AirTag uses end-to-end coverage to keep your location information private. Apple ID settings. Okay. Okay, continue. I have to put in my Apple ID password. Okay, sign in. Enter iPhone passcode. I'm entering in. That's it. Okay. Now I'm ready to connect the AirTag. I tap connect. Name the AirTag: backpack, bike, camera, handbag, jacket, keys, luggage, umbrella, wallet. Let me put a custom name. And additional AirTag features by sharing this iPhone's location. Okay, use this iPhone. Name the AirTag, let me rename it. Continue. Choose an emoji. Okay, let me put here iPhone. Okay. Choose continue. Register AirTag to your Apple ID. This will be associated with the personal information you have provided. Okay, continue. Setting up. Okay, that's it. iPhoneTricks.org is with you. Precision finding: when AirTag is nearby, an arrow will point to its precise location. Play sound: find your AirTag by playing a sound from your iPhone. Directions in Maps: view this AirTag on a map and view and find my app. Let's see the splash screen of iOS 15 for Find My. Let me save it. Let's continue. Okay. iPhoneTricks.org, no location found, play sound, find, notifications, if I'm left behind, close mode enable. Okay, let me play sound. Oh, okay, so this is how an AirTag sounds. Find nearby. Okay, it's here. If I'll bring the AirTag like a bit away, now it shows that it's 6 feet, 7 feet away. Okay, so this is how to unbox and set up an AirTag with an iPhone running iOS 15. Oh, and I almost forgot, there's something else left in the box. Let's see, perhaps that famous Apple sticker. No. Regulatory info. Blah blah blah. Safety and handling. Blah, blah, and warranty summary. No Apple sticker. No, sadly not. That's it. See you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.